Good morning, students. In the last class, we have discussed the last chapter was discussed. That is, the last chapter we have discussed the concept of and it is organic chemistry. In the organic chemistry, some basic concepts, some basic principles and techniques of some basic principles and techniques. In the today's class, we will discuss the new chapter, that is and hydrocarbon. The new chapter we are going to discuss here, hydrocarbons. In the last chapter we have taken the topics, that is first IUPAC nomenclature, and the second one isomerism, and the third one fundamental concepts in the organic reactions, and the next one is types of organic reactions, and the next topic is an electron displacement effect. Okay, the important topics that now in the today's class we are going to discuss the hydrocarbon, that is important one, hydrocarbons, new chapter. The organic compounds which contain the hydrogen and carbon are known as hydrocarbons. Okay, the organic compounds which contain hydrogen and carbon are known as hydrocarbons. The name itself shows that the organic compounds which contain the hydrogen and carbons are known as hydrocarbons. Then let us discuss the classification of the hydrocarbons. Okay, the classification of hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons are mainly classified into three groups. One is aliphatic hydrocarbons. The first classification is an aliphatic hydrocarbons. Second one is alicyclic hydrocarbons. The second one is alicyclic hydrocarbons. Third one, aromatic hydrocarbons. Aromatic hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons are mainly classified into three groups. One is aliphatic hydrocarbons, second one is alicyclic hydrocarbons, and third one is aromatic hydrocarbons. Okay. Let us see a detail of an aliphatic, alicyclic and aromatic hydrocarbons. First we take the aliphatic hydrocarbons. Aliphatic hydrocarbons. Aliphatic hydrocarbon means the organic compounds which are present in the hydrocarbons which are present in the long chain or straight chain, which are present in the form of a straight chain of carbon or an open chain of carbon atom. Open chain of carbon atoms are known as an aliphatic hydrocarbon, which are present in the straight chain or open chain form. Those compounds are known as an aliphatic hydrocarbons. Then let us see some of the examples here. CS3, CH2, CS3. Here, this compound is present in the straight chain or in the open chain form. Therefore, this compound is known as an aliphatic hydrocarbons. The name for this compound is an IUPAC name is propane. IUPAC name is propane. 3 carbon atoms are there in the parent chain and it is unsaturated. Therefore, it is known as propane. Then another name, CS3. Let us see another example. CS3, CS2, CH2CS3. Here, the number of carbon atoms in the parent chain are 4. Therefore, the root word is bute and it is unsaturated, and therefore we will use the ANP as the primary suffix here. Okay. The name for this compound is butane. Okay. The IUPAC name is butane. Again, these aliphatic hydrocarbons are classified into two types, that is saturated hydrocarbons and unsaturated hydrocarbons. And aliphatic hydrocarbons are classified into saturated hydrocarbons and unsaturated hydrocarbons. The saturated hydrocarbon means the carbon-carbon single, the organic compound which contain carbon-carbon single bond are known as that is saturated hydrocarbons. The organic compounds, these are hydrocarbons in which carbon-carbons are bonded with a single bond, then those compounds are known as saturated hydrocarbons. The saturated hydrocarbons, the family is an alkane. Alkane is the saturated hydrocarbons. Then unsaturated hydrocarbon means the carbon-carbon double bond. These contain the carbon-carbon double bond or carbon-carbon triple bond. The hydrocarbons which contain carbon-carbon double bond or carbon-carbon triple bond are known as an unsaturated hydrocarbons. The unsaturated hydrocarbons are, the family is an alkene. The carbon-carbon double bond family belongs to that is alkene. Here the carbon-carbon triple bond belongs to the an alkyne. Alkyne. We will discuss the methods preparation, general production, methods of preparation, chemical properties, physical properties, detail of alkene, alkane and alkyne in the further classes. Then the saturated with carbon-carbon single bond are known as unsaturated, and carbon-carbon double bond or carbon-carbon triple bond are known as an unsaturated hydrocarbon. Then next one is alicyclic hydrocarbons. Alicyclic. Let us see some more examples for the aliphatic hydrocarbons here. Saturated, then alkane. We have seen the two examples here, that is propane and butane. So let us see the example for the unsaturated, that is containing carbon-carbon double bond. Example for unsaturated, that is CS2 double bond CS2. Here the number of carbon atoms are in the parent chain are in the, that is number of carbon atoms in the parent chain are 2. Therefore, N is the root word and it contains the carbon-carbon double bond. Then the primary suffix is an ENE. That is the name for this compound is an ethene. IPAC name is ethene. Okay. Then CS3 CH double bond CH. Here the number of carbon atoms are 3 in the parent chain. Therefore, the root word is pro and the primary suffix is ENE. That is propene is the IPAC name for this compound. Then CS3 CH2 CH double bond CH2. Here the number of carbon atoms in the parent chain are 4. Therefore, the root word is but and it is an unsaturated containing carbon-carbon double bond. The carbon-carbon double bond present on the first position. That is, if we start the numbering 1, 2, 3, then the double bond will get the first number, first position. Therefore, it is known as but 1A, or we can simply call it as butene. And CS3 CH double bond CH CS3. Here the number of carbon atoms are 4 in the parent chain, but change in the position of a double bond. Here the position of double bond is second, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. The position of double bond is second position. Then it is named as but 2E, or simply call it as 2-butene. We can name the 2-butene. But 2E or 2-butene is the IPAC name for this compound. And let us see, that is third, then next example for the alkyne here. C triple bond, that is CH, triple bond CH, then the triple bond here, then the number of carbon atoms 2, then root word is N, and it is an unsaturated containing carbon-carbon triple bond. Therefore, then YNE will be added after the root word. Then the name for this compound will be ethyl. The IUPAC name is ethyl. CH3, C triple bond CH. 3 carbon atoms are present in the parent chain. Therefore, prop is the root word, and it contains an unsaturated, that is carbon-carbon triple bond. Then the name for this compound is, that is YOD is written after the root word. Then the complete name for this compound is anthraquinone. Okay. Then let us see next one, that is alicyclic hydrocarbons. Alicyclic hydrocarbons. Alicyclic hydrocarbon means the hydrocarbons which contain an closed chain structure, which are present in the closed chain or ring form, are known as an alicyclic hydrocarbon. Then the alicyclic hydrocarbon means the hydrocarbons which are present in the closed chain or in the ring form are known as an alicyclic hydrocarbons. The hydrocarbons which are present in the closed chain or ring form are known as an alicyclic hydrocarbon. Now let us see the example for this alicyclic hydrocarbons. CH2, 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 this is present in the ring form. The number of carbon atoms in the ring form are 3. Then the root, that is the nomenclature, IUPAC nomenclature for the alicyclic hydrocarbons. The cyclo is used before the root word. The prefix cyclo is used before the root word. Here the number of carbon in the parent chain are 3. Then the root word is prop. It is present in the chain form. Then cyclo. Then it is an saturated compound. Then cyclopropane is the IUPAC name for this compound. Okay, name for this compound is an cyclopropane. Let us consider the number of carbon atoms in the parent chain are 4 here. It is present in the ring form. Therefore, the name for this compound, that it is a saturated compound, and the name for this compound is cyclobutane. The IUPAC name is cyclobutane. Okay. Then another example here. The number of carbon atoms in the parent chain are, and that is 5 carbon atoms, and it is present in the ring form. Therefore, it is known as cyclopentane. The IUPAC name is cyclopentane. Then another example we can take. It is number of carbon atoms in the parent chain are 5, but it is an unsaturated compound. Okay, containing the carbon-carbon double bond. Here, the position of a double bond is present on the first position. That you can start the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then the name for this compound is cyclopent, and unsaturated double bond, that is pentane. Cyclopentane is the IUPAC name for this compound. Then let us start and aromatic hydrocarbons. Third classification, that is aromatic hydrocarbons. The hydrocarbons which contain at least one benzene, that is the hydrocarbons which contain at least one benzene, are known as an aromatic hydrocarbon. The hydrocarbons which contain at least one benzene are known as an aromatic hydrocarbons. When we give the example, the first example is an benzene. The name for this compound is an benzene. CH3 as a substitute group. The name for this compound is, the general it is known as and toluene. The IUPAC name is methylbenzene. The IUPAC name is the methylbenzene. CS2, CS3. Then the IUPAC name for this compound is, and the benzene is the and parent chain and the sister groups are and ethyl group here. Ethyl benzene is the IUPAC name. Ethyl benzene is the IUPAC name for this compound. These are the hydrocarbons. The hydrocarbon means the organic compounds which contain hydrogen and carbon are known as hydrocarbons. The hydrocarbons are classified into three groups, mainly three groups. One is aliphatic hydrocarbons, the second one is alicyclic, and third one is the aromatic hydrocarbons. Aliphatic hydrocarbon means the hydrocarbons which are present in the straight chain or open chain are known as an aliphatic hydrocarbons. The second classification is alicyclic. Alicyclic hydrocarbon means the hydrocarbons which are present in the ring form or closed chain form are known as an alicyclic hydrocarbons. Then third one, aromatic hydrocarbon. The hydrocarbons which are present, which contain the hydrocarbons which contain at least one benzene ring are known as an aromatic hydrocarbons. This is about the introduction and classification of hydrocarbons. The next topic we will discuss in the next class. Okay, thank you.